Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is better for postpartum? Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to regaining core strength postpartum, choosing the right exercises is crucial. Sit-ups and crunches are both popular options, but which one is better for new moms? Sit-ups. Sit-ups involve a full range of motion where you lift your upper body off the ground, engaging your entire core. This exercise can help in overall core strengthening, but might put too much strain on a postpartum body, especially if diastasis recti of separation is a concern. Crunches. Crunches, on the other hand, focus on the upper abs and involve a smaller range of motion. This can be a gentler option for postpartum recovery. They help in tightening the abdominal muscles without the intense pressure that sit-ups can exert on the lower back and pelvis. For postpartum recovery, it's important to prioritize exercises that are gentle yet effective in rebuilding core strength. Starting with crunches might be more beneficial and safer for new moms. Remember to always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare provider before beginning any new exercise routine. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one.